If you need to create a boot key for your computer, Rufus is one of the fastest and easiest to use software in the market. Rufus is free and open-source software that makes it easy to format and create bootable USB drives from an ISO image. Thanks to it, you will be able to create bootable USB keys in record time to install operating systems or use them in live CD mode. In this video, we will see how to use the Rufus software to create a bootable USB key.
Creating and using a bootable USB drive is done in 3 simple steps. 1. Download the ISO image of the program or operating system to use or install. 2. Write the ISO image to the USB key using Rufus software. 3. We start the computer from the bootable USB key. Download the Rufus software and run it.
Select the following options. Device. Your USB key. Check that you have selected the correct USB key, boot type, disk image or ISO. You already have the ISO. Click the Select button and select the ISO on your computer. You don't have an ISO? Click Download to download Windows 10 ISO or Windows 8.1 ISO from Microsoft servers. Volume name. Leave the default value. File system. NTFS. Requires disabling secure boot, or FAT32. If available. Allocation unit size. leave the default. Click the Start button. Confirm the creation of the bootable USB key by clicking OK. Please note that all data on the USB key will be permanently erased. Wait while the bootable USB key is created. That's it, your bootable USB key has been created. Congratulations! You have created a bootable USB key using Rufus software.